What's up, my people? Let's make some cashew almond milk. So I went ahead and I soaked these overnight. For sweetness, I'm using dates, but you can use any sweetener of your choice. A few hours later, I drained this liquid, added some fresh water. I also added some salt to balance the taste. For flavor, I'm using cinnamon, but you can use vanilla, or if you want to make this unflavored, totally up to you. I'm using my Nama J2 juicer, and with this, you want to add an equal amount of water and nuts in order for this to work. If you don't have a juicer, use a blender. I went ahead and gave the milk a strain. Now with the pulp, I'm going to extract more milk, so I simply added some water and strain. That's it, my people. So rich and creamy. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the recipe and go and big up on yourself.